In this video, you will learn how to develop a panel or user interface for your macro module. We will use the results from the previous video, Global Macro Modules. You should now be able to find your global macro module via Search Modules. You can develop your own user interface for a module via MeVisLab Definition Language, MDL. The user interface opens with a double click on your module. As we did not define a custom user interface, our new module opens the automatic panel showing the instance name. In order to define your first UI, right-click on your module and select Related Files. Open the .script file of your module. The MeVisLab text editor made opens. Add a field parameter called text to your script and set an arbitrary value. Next we add a window section and place your field parameter of type string into the window. Save your first script file and change to MeVisLab IDE. Reload your macro module by using keyboard shortcut F5. Double-clicking the module now opens our just-defined panel containing the text. We are now enhancing our module and want to use the kernel list of the convolution module in our own user interface. Open the internal network of your module and copy the convolution kernel field's name to clipboard. Go back to Mate and change the field parameter to use your just copied field name as internal name. Also set your just copied name as field in the window section. You now have a copy of the convolution kernel field in your macro module UI. Set a title to the field and save your script. Back in the MeVisLab IDE, double-click on your module and you will now see the drop-down list of the convolution module being available in our own UI. You can repeat these steps for any other field of your internal network. You want to test your module now? Add a local image and view 2D module to your network and connect them to your filter. Changing the kernel in your module changes the internal network and the viewer shows the result of your filter. The next video will show you how to interact with your interface via Python scripting. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.